Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at you and your person's relationship right now. Okay, so this is a little different this time. I'll be even seeing your current feelings for them, their current feelings for you, what you decide to do right now and what they decide to do right now. And there'll be an extended also this time, and the link for that is given in the Patreon. So in the description box below, the reading will be on Patreon, so you can join me there if the reading resonates with you. Okay, so let's see what are your energies, Librans. Your energies are the Page of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what are your current feelings for them. Two of Swords wanted to come out. Put it back. What are your current feelings for the person you are dealing with? The Five of Pentacles. Okay. Your best course of action. Queen of Wands. The energies of your person. Four of Swords. Their current feelings for you. Ten of Wands. The best course of action. Their best course of action. Ten of Pentacles. The most likely outcome of this situation. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So Librans, as far as your energies are concerned, with the Page of Pentacles, you are in a situation of making a small step forward. You have taken a small step forward towards something, maybe towards your person, maybe a small communication or a step up, or it can be just a beginning of the relationship. It's just that you've taken a small step towards them, showing them perhaps your affection, your love, or just even you maybe even you started saying that hello, hi. It will be different for different people, obviously. So it is just the first step which you have taken in a new direction towards them. Now, if you were already committed, then it can be towards your engagement or something else. So it will be according to the level where you are right now. But yes, a step further is being taken by you towards your person. That is your, at least you want to do that. Okay, that is your energy. At least you want to do that. Your current feelings, Five of Pentacles. These are your feelings for them. Okay, so are you feeling that they are ignoring you? Okay, maybe you feel that they are ignoring you. These are your feelings. You feel that they are ignoring you, they are rejecting you, they have left you out in the cold. So you feel left out in the cold. You feel ignored, dejected, upset. You feel as if you feel a sense of loss, basically. You see a sense of loss. These are your feelings for your person. So perhaps they are not paying any attention to you. Perhaps they are ignoring you. Perhaps something has happened because of which they are doing like this. But this is your current feeling for them. You feel as if you've been left out in the cold. Your best course of action right now is the Queen of Wands. So what I feel here is you are not going to show them anything. Even though you feel that they are ignoring you, you feel left out in the cold, maybe you even miss them miserably, you feel totally lost, you feel you are even missing them, but you will not show that. You will show that you are happy, you are as good as you were, and you are feeling powerful, you are feeling good about yourself. So I really don't feel, basically you will show that everything is fine in your life and you are very confident and happy and content with wherever you are. So that is what your best course of action is. So I really don't think that you are going to show them how you are feeling about them. You will hide your emotions. As far as your person is concerned, their energies are the Four of Swords. So I think they have really surrendered to the situation. This person is not doing anything as such as far as this relationship is concerned. They are just focusing on themselves. They are giving that rest period, focusing on themselves, healing themselves, not even thinking of doing anything. That's what I feel. This person is totally surrendered this situation to the universe, to God, to time, and they're just praying, and it's like focusing on themselves, focusing on their own healing. Okay, so this person is just surrendered to the situation. as far as their feelings are concerned for you, they feel it's been a burden. With the Ten of Wands, they feel that perhaps it was a burden, and they really want to put aside that burden. So there must have been something in this relationship, because here you feel ignored, they are not ready to do anything, they are just left over, they've left everything to God. So here what I feel is, maybe this relationship at some point in time was a burden for them, and now they are in a process of unburdening, because it's coming with the Four of Swords. So they are focusing on their own healing. So maybe they were feeling burdened at that time. Okay, there was something which was weighing them down in this relationship, and now they are just, since they are focused on healing themselves, they want to put this burden aside. They don't want this burden anymore, and that is how they will heal themselves. If they keep on carrying the burden on their shoulders of this relationship, or any emotional baggage if there was in this relationship, they won't be able to heal. Okay, so that is what they are doing. They are just healing themselves, and they want to put aside the burden of this relationship they were carrying. It can be the emotional baggage which they are still carrying. They just want to put it aside. And this cycle is nearly complete with the Ten of Wands and the Ten of Pentacles here. So they are really completing this cycle. It's just they're putting an end to it. And here their best course of action according to them is the Ten of Pentacles. So what I feel is, this person is trying to focus on their own stability. They're trying to create stability in their own life. Okay, in their life, in their maybe they are wanting commitment in their life, they want something stable. So I really don't, we'll clarify though that on Patreon what it is, but I really feel that this person is focusing on their family, focusing on their own stability, focusing on their own stuff. That's what I feel. They're looking for something stable, basically, you can say that. I really don't feel that they are going to take any action. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Seven of Pentacles. So again, doing nothing, just reviewing, contemplating what to do, what not to do. Maybe both of you are just thinking, put it aside, and it's there, you know that it's there, but maybe both of you had invested in this relationship at some point in time. But as for now, I really don't feel any action is being taken by anyone over here. It's just, okay, you know it's there, and you're just looking at it, what to do about it. You really don't know what to do about it. It's something like that. Or maybe you are even thinking of doing something, because the only action card which I feel here is the Page of Pentacles. So maybe you may plan to take a step forward, because that is coming in your energy. As far as your person is concerned, I really don't see them doing anything. So maybe probably the outcome is that none of you does anything as for now, at least as for now. So Librans, I'll continue this reading on Patreon. The link of that will be given in the description box below, so you're most welcome to watch it there, and join me on Patreon. And if you choose to be with me till here, so then okay, that's nice. Thanks for being with me, and hope it helps. Bye.